recording everything I do on the screen. Again, it's giving me a countdown less than 5 minutes. But again, I'll show you in a second on Loom how you can set up your account that you have unlimited amount of time as a teacher. Again, it's recording everything on the screen. If I switch to another slide, it's going to record that. This is just one. This is an example I came up with a conference, a Google conference, which I actually need to find in North Carolina. I attended this every year at Ohio. And I did a lot of presentations at these. I'll have to find one in North Carolina. So again, you can switch to any one you want. When you're done, you can hit pause button, recollect your thoughts, think about what you're going to say next. But if you don't like what you did because you really messed up, click on the delete button or cancel button. But one thing is, I really want to recommend to you that nothing's going to be perfect. All right, your first video, you're going to critique everything that you say in the video. All right, again, but don't worry if you're going to make one little simple mistake. Otherwise, you're going to spend 10 hours creating one little video. But when you're finished, you click the red button. So this allows you to pause the Zoom button, and now it just resumes your video. So I could go to another slide, talk about that slide. When I'm finished, I click on the finish button. But before I go any further, does anybody ever understand these three buttons down here? Finish recording, pause the recording, delete it, and start all over. So I'm finished now. I'm going to click on the red button because I'm finished